LifeHack. So this is for people who sometimes feel a little awkward or like they have trouble making friends. There's a thing I call the question game. I learned it from someone who was coaching me before I went to do a bunch of interviews when my band had a record deal. It's like rock star coaching. And so what they did was they said, if you want to have a good interview, if you want the person who's interviewing you to like you, ask them questions. Because everybody walks in to their office with the same idea. They're all upcoming rock stars. They've all just made a record. They're all so full of themselves. So what you want to do is you want to make the interview about them. You want to ask them how long they've worked for the magazine or the radio station. You want to ask them who the favorite person is that they ever interviewed. It's not going to be you. And you want to keep asking them questions about themselves until they finally say this. Oh, well, we've been sitting here talking about me, but this interview is supposed to be about you. And then you got them. The interview is going to go well for you after that. Well, the same thing works in everyday life. One time I had to take my son Angel to a birthday party, so I'm sitting there next to this other father. And I decided to play the question game. How many questions can I ask him about his world, his work, his life, his family, his interests, whatever, before he asks me a question? The answer was 40-something. I just gave up after that. This guy was never going to ask a question about me. There's really not very many of us who are good at this or who do it naturally. Every conversation is pretty much an exercise of, hey, that reminds me of something about me. Talking is taking. Listening is a gift. Try this. Start asking them questions and be interested in the answers, and then ask a follow-up question to whatever their answer is. James 1:19 says to be quick to listen, slow to speak, and even slower to get mad. And Proverbs 27:2 says basically don't toot your own horn. Let other people say nice, complimentary things about you. Don't say them about yourself. Or you can just be awkward. It's really up to you.